Maruti Suzuki, a name synonymous with reliability and affordability in the Indian automobile industry, has played a transformative role in shaping the country's automotive landscape. Established in 1981 as Maruti Udyog Limited, the company was formed through a joint venture between the Indian government and Suzuki Motor Corporation of Japan. Since then, it has grown to become the leading car manufacturer in India, with a market share that has consistently hovered around 50% for years. One of the core reasons behind Maruti Suzuki's phenomenal success lies in its deep understanding of Indian consumers. The brand has always focused on offering budget-friendly, fuel-efficient, and low-maintenance vehicles that cater to the needs of the middle-class Indian family. From its very first model, the iconic Maruti 800, to present-day favorites like the Swift, Baleno, Wagon, Z, and Brezza, Maruti Suzuki has built a legacy of trust and practicality. These models are not just cars but have become a part of countless Indian households and memories. The company's vast service network has also contributed significantly to its dominance. With thousands of authorized service centers and spare parts availability even in remote areas, Maruti Suzuki has managed to build an unmatched after-sales service ecosystem. This ensures peace of mind for customers, which has been a major reason behind the high resale value and brand loyalty associated with Maruti vehicles. Maruti Suzuki has also embraced technological advancements and innovation over the years. While maintaining affordability, the brand has steadily upgraded its vehicles with modern features such as touchscreen infotainment systems, automatic transmissions, hybrid technology, and enhanced safety measures. It has also begun its foray into electric mobility, with plans to launch its first electric vehicle in the near future as part of its commitment to a greener future. In addition to its wide range of passenger cars, Maruti Suzuki has a strong presence in the commercial vehicle segment with models like the Super Carry. It also caters to fleet operators and shared mobility platforms, making it a well-rounded automobile manufacturer. The company's manufacturing capabilities are another cornerstone of its success. With state-of-the-art production facilities in Manesar and Gurugram in Haryana, as well as a newer plant in Gujarat, Maruti Suzuki has the capacity to produce millions of vehicles annually. These facilities not only cater to domestic demand but also play a key role in exports to international markets. In recent years, despite challenges such as increasing competition, changing consumer preferences, and regulatory shifts, Maruti Suzuki has shown resilience and adaptability. By focusing on research and development, digital transformation, and sustainable mobility, the brand continues to evolve while staying true to its core values. Maruti Suzuki is more than just a car company in India, it is a symbol of progress, dreams, and everyday mobility. It represents the aspirations of millions and has helped motorize a nation. As it moves toward the future, Maruti Suzuki remains committed to innovation, customer satisfaction, and being a leader in the Indian automotive journey.